I'm Ajil Seli from SNS College of Technology. Today I am here to present a small topic on application of AI, artificial intelligence in food processing and handling. Now let's talk about case study.
We all know that agriculture plays a vital role in food industries. According to statistics, 16% of food production comes from plants and employ the bulk of workers. Then also the sector is running low on productivity and their profit margins were very less. That's why we need artificial intelligence in food processing unit. The production unit is sinking because smaller companies cannot predict the choice of customer or they cannot complete the food regulations. In such a case, artificial intelligence is our only hope. It is an advanced mechanism which can do a lot of work. Nowadays, large companies are employing AI technology to increase their efficiency and profit.
Now let's see empathy and define part.
Empathy, the ability to understand and share the feelings of other. Define. Artificial intelligence is changing lifestyles. From construction industries to home, we are using AI to ease our work. The question is how it will help the food industries. According to makers, AI can predict weather forecasting and alert the farmers about incoming storms. It also helps the goods transport to improve yield and impact cost. The food industry depends on a lot of timing and temperature. If we employed AI in some sector like sorting, processing and packing, it will be more feasible.
Next we have ideate.
Ideate. AI is impacting the food processing industry both directly and indirectly. For example, indirectly, it helps farmers with weather prediction, which will help farmers to produce high quality raw materials for food processing companies, also helping them to save time and money on sorting a product. However, looking at the direct benefit of AI, it helps food processing sector in three significant applications which are sorting packages and product. The first operational challenge that food processing company facing is sorting of feedstock. We all know that every potato, tomato and orange are different and hence it requires rigorous sorting because every food processing company has to maintain a certain quality to stay in the competition. If not automated through AI and other emerging technologies such as IoT, this process requires an enormous amount of human labor. By using artificial intelligence, food processing companies can achieve significant automation of food cataloging using a combination of cameras, lasers, and machine learning to enable food sorting with enhanced efficiency. For instance, by developing artificial intelligence involving sensor-based operational sorting solution, the time-consuming process of sorting fresh produce can be removed, leading to higher yield with better quality. Food safety compliance. Safety is a massive concern in food processing business. Even the smallest food factories have started to implement AI-based cameras to detect whether an employee is wearing proper costume or not. The AI-enabled camera help restaurant managers to keep a watch on their restaurant workers whether they are wearing proper food protection gear as per food safety regulation. It helps them to detect any indiscipline in real time. Maintaining cleanliness. Maintaining cleanliness is nothing. The same I said in food safety compliance. They both do the same things.
Yeah, so that's all today's topic, so I am concluding it.
Conclusion. Despite being at its initial stage, AI is reshaping the food processing and handling business. In upcoming years, it is going to revolutionize the food processing sector forever. AI will help these companies to increase their revenue by speeding up the production process, reducing maintenance time. AI could significantly improve packaging, increase shelf life, a combination of menu by using AI algorithms, and food safety by making more transparent supply chain management system with the help of AI.